Hi everyone. This question says that the equation of the line shown in the diagram is ax plus 2y plus c equals 0. Now notice that there are two things that I don't know here. I don't know the a, I don't know the c. Then it asks us for the value of a divided by c to the nearest hundredth is. Okay, well, what we might want to do here is just take a quick look at this line here. It might be the simplest thing to do for most people here. Let's just come up with the equation of that line, maybe in point slope form, and then convert it to general form like we're seeing up there so we can grab the pieces out of it. So notice that this is going through the point, and what have we got here? We've got negative 3, 6. Okay, it's also going through the point, what is that? 1, negative 4. Okay, well I've got 2 points. Either one of those could be used for my point slope form. What I need now though is slope. And so I'll do it like this. 6 minus negative 4 all over negative 3 minus 1. It doesn't matter which of those points I start with as long as I'm consistent, starting with it in the numerator, starting with it in the denominator. So 6 minus negative 4 is 10. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. There's a common factor of 2, so the slope here is going to be negative 5 halves. Now I'm going to put this in point slope form, and I'm going to choose that point right there because it's got the smaller number. So I'm going to write, what have I got here? Y plus 4 equals negative 5 halves x minus 1, which is great, but it's in the wrong form. Okay, I need this to be in general form. So first of all, I'm going to get rid of the fraction by multiplying everything through here by 2. Now there are only 3 terms, okay? I don't want you to get lost on that. It's the y, the 4, and then the whole right-hand side is a single term because it's all multiplied together. So when I multiply that through, I'm only going to have to multiply it by 3 terms. I'm going to get 2y plus 8. And then when I multiply negative 2 by this whole thing here, now notice I am multiplying 5 halves by this. Okay, I didn't multiply it through. I'm just going to multiply the 2 by the coefficient here. It'll cancel. I'm just left with negative 5 x minus 1. Now, I have to expand that out, so I will get 2y plus 8 is equal to negative 5x plus 5. And now to write it in general form, I'm going to bring everything over to the side that's going to make the coefficient of the x term positive. I've gotten rid of all the fractions, so I'm good here. So I'm just going to bring that over. It'll become positive 5x plus 2y, and then when I subtract the 5 from both sides, I will get plus 3 equals 0. Now that's really encouraging that coefficient of the y is 2, okay, because I see that in the original equation here. So my a value here is 5, my c value is 3, and so a over c is going to be 5 over 3, and then to the nearest hundredth, because that's what this question is asking for, okay, this is going to be approximately 1.67. So I run up here and I'll put 1.67.